Good evening, my dear young mathematician. I, Sudhanshu Behra, welcome you to our class 11 math series only on SN Parshala. Okay, you may have question that what we are going to learn today. Okay, let's see what we are going to learn today. Here it is. Uh, it is a tutorial lecture. In this lecture, we will cover some example of statement, negation, conjunction, and disjunction. Here, first example is check for proposition. We have to check those following examples whether these examples are proposition or not. Before going to check, remember that sentence having question mark and wishes and uncertainty variable are not comes under proposition are not proposition. So according to this, it is a question mark, it is a question type sentence, hence it is not a proposition. X is greater than 100. Here, x is a variable. We don't know the value of x. It is uncertainty. So, it is not a proposition. Why you are crying? It is a question type sentence. Hence, it is not a proposition. May God grant you long life. It is a wishes. It is a wishes, yani, or wishes or blessing that we give to another person. So, it is not a proposition because this sentence has no truth value. Can you say it is true or false? We just imagine this sentence. It is our imagination. Okay, that's why. Kotak is a big city. Okay, Kotak is a big. It is a declarative sentence. But Kotak is a big city. In which region? Does it mention? No. We cannot say that Kotak is a big city. You may consider India. So in India, there is so many big city than Kotak. You may consider even also in Odisha. There is so many big city, big district than Kotak. There is big city than Kotak. So here it is not a definite sentence. It is we cannot say it does not provide a definite meaning. Hence, it is not a proposition. It is possible that there is life in Mars. Here, look at the word possible. What is the meaning of possible? That may or may not. Okay, possible implies that may or may not. That is in life and there in Mars there is maybe life or may not life. So it is uncertainty. It has no certainty. Hence, it is not a proposition. Ram is a friend of Gauri. Okay, look at this sentence. It may be true or false. Okay, Ram may be a friend of Hari. If Ram is a friend of Hari, then it is true. If Ram is not friend of Hari, then it is false. Hence, it contains truth value. Hence, it is a proposition. X square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. Here, x is a variable. In this question, the value of x doesn't given. Hence, it is not a proposition. Oh, what a scenery. It is a question type. It is not a proposition. You must go to school every day. It is one type of order or advice. So this sentence does not contain any truth value. Hence, it is not a proposition. It was raining yesterday. Okay, look at this. Yesterday. Yesterday for which day? There is nothing mentioned about that in this question. We cannot say that which yesterday we are talking about. It is a uncertainty sentence. Hence, it is not a proposition. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, what did it say? Write down a negation of each of the following. Now we are going to check how we write a negation of a sentence. It is very easy and you can do easily by putting a single word not. If you read, you will pass. What will be negation? If you don't read, you will fail. John is a friend of Thomas. we will put a not here, then it will convert into negation, proposition negation part. John is a friend of Thomas. What will be its negation? John is not a friend of Thomas. Here 15 is greater than 5. If we put not here, 15 is not greater than 5, then the new sentence will be its negation. 15 is not greater than 5. Either either Pramod is clever or he is laborious. What will be its negation? We can we just put not here? Either not Pramod is clever. Is it look good? No. Uh, Except that we will use neither. Neither Pramod is clever nor he is laborious. Here it is this sentence, neither Pramod is clever nor he is laborious, is a negation of this sentence. Money is necessary for happiness. What will be its negation? Money is not necessary for happiness. And the rest questions are homework for you. You just pause the video and write down its negation and send me on either in comment or or in through Telegram. I'll be always there for you to reply. Yeah. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, now what this example says, we have to find which connector are used and we have to find the truth value of each component each component statement, and also we will calculate the truth value of conjunction statement. Okay, let's see how it work, how it look like. 2 is even and prime. Here two statements are joined by a connector what? And right? One statement is what? Now 2 is even is a one statement and another statement is 2 is prime. We got two statement, 2 is even and 2 is prime. Both are true, hence the conjunction is also true. Let's look the table. P. P statement what? 2 is even. It is true. 2 is prime also. 2 is prime, that is Q statement is true. Then P conjunction Q is true. And the connector is AND. 30 is divisible by 2, 3 and 5. Here, before AND, write this to this. 30 is divisible by 2, 3. Let's consider this sentence and this statement as P, and 30 is divisible by 5 as Q. Now, check truth value of each component. 30 is divisible by 2, 3, it is true. 30 is divisible by 5, it is also true. Hence, the P conjunction Q is also true. And the connector is what? And. Let's third bit. All rational or irrational number are real number. Here, let's consider all rational numbers are real number as a P statement, and all irrational number are real number as Q statement. Here the connector is what? Or. Here the connector is or. Then how a truth table look like? If any one statement is true, any one statement is true, or both statements are true, then the disjunction statement is the disjunction statement will true. Okay, in this case, P disjunction Q will not like look like P disjunction is look like V shape. Disjunction symbol look like V shape. Okay, so and false only if both statement are false. When both P Q statement are false, then uh, P disjunction Q statement will be false. Otherwise, in all other cases, it will be true. Got it? Yeah. Let's move. INSAT and Moon are satellite of Earth. INSAT is an artificial satellite, and Moon are natural satellite of our Earth. Both are true. Hence, P conjunction Q is true. And the connector is what? And. The constituent of water. Oxygen and nitrogen. Constituent of water are oxygen and nitrogen. Is it true? No. Let's look. The constituent of water are oxygen, considered as a P statement, and constituent of water are nitrogen. Consider it as Q statement. Here, P statement is true. Constituent of water are oxygen, but Q statement, constituent of water are nitrogen, is false. Okay, it is a B part. Okay, let's change this line. Here it will be F, and the P conjunction Q will be F. Okay, just correct in your copy. And the connector is AND. BI 12. 12 is multiple of 2 and 3, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, let's consider 12 is multiple of 2, 3 as a P statement. 12 is multiple of 6 as a Q statement. Now check the truth value. 12 is multiple of 2, 3. It is true. P statement is true. And Q statement is also true. 12 is multiple of 6. Hence, P conjunction Q is true. And the connector is AND. Arjun was son of Kunti and Pandu. So, what are the two statements? PQ statement. P statement is Arjun was son of Kunti, and Q statement is Arjun was son of Pandu. Both statements are true, hence conjunction is true. And the connector is AND. A student qualifying either KVPY or IIT JEE Advanced can get admission in IISc, Indian Institute of Science. Like 3I, it is also same. You have to check whether both statements are false. If both statements are false, then the disjunction statement will be false. In all other cases, the disjunction statement will be true. And the connector is or. Sun and electric ball are luminous objects. So separate the sentence with PQ statement. Sun is a luminous object. Electric balls are luminous object. P is true and Q also true. Uh, Hence, both statements are true, and that is P conjunction Q is true. You may ask, what is luminous? Luminous object is that object which provides light to us. That object which who provide light to us. That is called luminous object. Hence, both statements are luminous object. Both the sun and electric volts are luminous object. Hence, P conjunction Q is true, and the connector is AND. Okay, let's move disjunction. Like conjunction, you can also easily verify disjunction statement, component of disjunction statement, and the truth table. You can also create truth table of a disjunction statement. I'm not going to uh, tell you the truth table. It is a assignment for you. Just pause the video and prepare truth table for a disjunction example and send me on our Telegram channel. A link I will be given a link on the description box, just to go and join to our Telegram channel. Okay, we'll move forward. Okay, thank you. We'll just pause our lecture series for this day right now. We will meet another with our another set of example on tomorrow. Okay, special announcement. What is just subscribe to our channel and share my channel to your friends so that they can get involved with our series and also get benefit from us. Thank you very much.